Ciao guys and welcome to the new episode of Coffee in the Galley. There are two classic methods of wooden shipbuilding, clinker and carvel. Clinker planking means each plank overlaps to the one below, like fish scales. It's strong, flexible, and was famously used by Vikings in the medieval Europe. It gives a distinct stepped look to the hull. You can clearly see it's a clinker build. Carver planking, on the other hand, means edge-to-edge planks, flush, smooth, and sleek. This method became popular in the Age of Exploration, and it is typical of most ships of the line, galleons, and later sailing vessels. For modelers, clinker is, I would say, difficult. The alignment must be perfect and consistent, and it's tricky to shape. Carvel is easier to sand, but mistakes are more obvious. Every gap, every edge, every misalignment will show up like a spotlight. Each method tells a different story, and both are right, depending on your historical period. So if you're ever wondering which to use, ask yourself, are you building a Viking longship or something that didn't involve raiding monasteries? Cheers!